Alkaline, lifestyle, music career, and net worth. Early life and background. Alkaline, born Earlan Bartley on December 19, 1993, in Kingston, Jamaica, is a prominent figure in the modern dancehall scene. He attended Ardenne High School before studying media and communication at the University of the West Indies. Alkaline's early exposure to music and keen interest in lyricism set the stage for his rise as one of dancehall's most controversial and innovative artists. Known for his enigmatic persona and boundary-pushing artistry, Alkaline burst onto the music scene in the early 2010s, quickly establishing himself as a standout talent. His bold lyrics, unique appearance, including his trademarked bleached sclera, which fueled public curiosity, and his ability to blend traditional dancehall rhythms with contemporary sounds have earned him widespread recognition. Music career. Alkaline's career took off with the release of his singles 123, Things Me Love, and Move Mountains, which resonated with fans and gained significant radio play. He quickly gained a reputation for his provocative lyrics, unapologetic confidence, and unconventional style, distinguishing himself in a genre dominated by tradition. His debut album, New Level Unlocked, 2016, cemented his place in the dancehall world. The album featured hits like Champion Boy and City, showcasing his lyrical dexterity and knack for creating infectious hooks. New Level Unlocked became the first dancehall album to top the Billboard Reggae album chart in 5 years, marking a significant milestone in his career. Following the success of his debut, Alkaline released numerous hit singles, including After All, Ocean Wave, and Cree. In 2021, he dropped his sophomore album, Top Prize, which debuted at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. This project further demonstrated his evolution as an artist, blending introspective themes with vibrant dancehall beats. Alkaline is often compared to dancehall legends like Vybz Kartel and Beenie Man, but his distinctive style sets him apart. His lyrical themes range from gritty street tales to love and success, capturing the complexity of modern Jamaican youth. Alkaline is known for his private and mysterious lifestyle, rarely granting interviews or revealing much about his personal life. This mystique has only fueled his popularity, as fans remain intrigued by his enigmatic persona. He often portrays a lavish lifestyle in his music and videos, highlighting expensive cars, designer fashion, and luxurious living. However, he balances this with a focus on hard work and perseverance, emphasizing the struggles he faced to achieve his success. As of 2024, Alkaline's net worth is estimated to be around $2 million, derived from music sales, streaming royalties, live performances, and brand endorsements. His global appeal has allowed him to tour extensively, performing in Europe, North America, and the Caribbean, further boosting his income and reach. Legacy. Alkaline has firmly established himself as a leading figure in contemporary dancehall, known for his innovative approach and unwavering confidence. His ability to challenge norms while staying true to his artistry ensures his influence in the genre will continue to grow, making him a trailblazer for future generations of dancehall artists.